I've been coming here for over 20 years for a reason. This is my life. Everything I believe in life is what I've learned from being in service to other people.
The food industry is just like my life, and I truly want to, like, in the future, set up my own restaurant. It's my dream. That's what I want to do, and that's why I'm here, just trying to meet new people, make connections, and it's what I'm passionate about.
It allowed me to continue my journey and my education, and just to piggyback off the last thing they said, I love to serve people. It's one of the greatest acts you can do. If you can't serve, you can't lead. Thank you to Rachael Ray and all the supporters out there.
I'm honored to be here and to meet you in person. Truly, it's an honor.
We love being a part of your program and your lives, and we hope we can be this tiny bit of a pebble on the road ahead for you guys. And congratulations.